dies 17 days after crash. Indian Army supporting prostitute utilizer Balram Garg and Indian Army should realize that their Pani Chaudhary was a small commander who died in Naval Hospital on Tuesday. Since Indian Army don't possess Penny, that's why Penny died in Kolaba. And Gorakh Bidani don't have Penny because she died in Naval Hospital. That's why he is supporting a prostitute utilizer Balram Garg, due to which Naresh Sethi and Sangeeta Anand also started supporting prostitute utilizer Balram Garg. After which Charu Virmani also started supporting prostitute utilizer Balram Garg, who don't have Penny because she died